Good day, everyone. So today we are at Shimota, where we just completed the wiring of a 2-bedroom house, and I'm going to take you guys around to show you the works that's been carried out. So currently we are entering the main porch, the front porch of the property, and first thing you notice is that we've got 2 power points, one being 110 socket, which is the US standard power supply, and then 220, which is the larger one, that's the Ghana power supply. So we're just about to step into the main living room. So this is the main living room. Now, to my immediate left of the living room, we've got 2-gang or 2-switch power point, which is going to basically control the lighting. One of them control the lighting for the front balcony. So this is the front balcony, and you can see the cable hanging over here. So this is the front balcony. So this will be a double switch. One will control the front balcony over here, and the other will control the lighting in the main living room. So this is the main living room, and you can see the cables hanging here. So basically these are all the various spotlights that are going to be on the ceiling once the POP works is completed. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different spotlights, and right in the middle over here will be the ceiling fan that will be hanging. So you can see that we've got the hook already in place. This is for the ceiling fan, and the rest of the cable hanging are for the spotlights that will be in the property. So these are all the cables hanging here. Now if we come to this end over here, to the immediate left, this is the TV cable. This is the 110 power point, the US 110, and we've got the 220 power point, that's the Ghana standard power point. Got the same thing down here. So in this box, that's where we're going to house all our TV cables. And we're panning around to this end. So this property is for US clients, so you've seen the US flag over here, and they've got it in the corner here. So this point is the AC power point, and when we come down, we've got more sockets right here. That's the 220 on the left, and then 110 US on the right. Now coming to this section, we're still in the living room. Now to the immediate left, we have the control point, which is the switch that controls all the living room lighting. In the middle, we've got our ceiling fan, and to the right, this will control the back end balcony. So there's some more power points over here, and then this is the back end balcony. So as you can see, all the cabling has been done. So we've got one light over here, then the second one over here, and I don't know if I can show you this. At the very rear end, there's a light at the top as well. Now, in the back balcony as well, we've got 2 power points, one 110 and then one 220 power point. So we're going back inside. So we're back in the living room. So now we're entering into the main corridor that links to the bedrooms. And to the immediate left, you've got a small dining area. Now, on the right-hand side, just before you're entering into the corridor, you've got a control switch for the lighting of the corridor. And then the next one is the ceiling fan. So we've got a control switch for the corridor and the ceiling fan, which is going to be placed right on top of the dining area. So you can see we've got 2 lighting system that will be put in place in the dining area. and this is the hook for the ceiling fan. So that is already in place, and once the POP is done, it'll be secured to the ceiling. Now I come back again, so we're walking through the main corridor, and the immediate right, we're entering to the kitchen. So that's the kitchen exit door that goes to the back. To the left of the kitchen, we've got the switch for the lighting, and then we've got a ceiling fan as well. So once again, that is the cable for the ceiling fan, and that's the hook for the ceiling fan. And in the kitchen, we've got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we've got 4 lights that will be placed in the POP ceiling once that is done. So once again, you can see all the pipe work that's been carried out. And next to the kitchen, we've got the storeroom for the kitchen. Now in the storeroom, we've got 1, 2 lights that we'll put in place. So that's the storeroom. So now we come out from the kitchen, and ahead, this is a light switch for the, so we've got to the left, we've got this will be the washroom, and to the right, this will be the toilet or the WC. So that's the light for it. Now, right over here, we've got power points for shaving machine, the shaving point, light switch, and up here, that is the light for the mirror lighting. So if you want to have a light that overhangs or recessed behind the mirror, you can have that one over there. There'll be a sink over here. So this is the washroom. So basically, this washroom is shared. It acts as the guest washroom and a washroom for the first bedroom. But before we get to the first bedroom, there's a small corridor to the right-hand side here at the end of the, just a small space. And this can be used as a study. It's a small library or study area. So once again, there's some lighting fixtures over here. We've got one over here, and we've got another one over here as well. Then we're entering into bedroom 1. So in bedroom 1, the immediate right, we've got the light switch to the bedroom. Down here, we've got the power point, 210, 110 power points. I'm sure you've seen quite a number of them now. So in this bedroom, we've got 4 lighting fixtures that will be put in place. So we've got 1 there, 2, 3, and then the 4th one being here. So 4 lighting points. And then over here, we've got the TV cable, TV point to the left, 110 power point, 210, and the same thing down here. And that is the AC switch or the AC point for the air conditioning. And this is where the bed will be placed. So the bed will be placed at this end. And right next to the bed, we've made provision for the lighting fixture. So you've got your light switch for over here that controls the lighting in the bedroom. And then next to it, you've got the ceiling fan as well. So basically when you're on the bed or when you're resting in the bed, you can control your light from here. You can control your ceiling fan from here. You don't have to walk up and get up all the way to come to the entrance before you can switch on and off your bedroom light and your ceiling fan. So we walk out, and yes, another one. This switch here controls the corridor. So basically we put in 2 lighting fixtures or lighting switch for the corridor. So when you're at the front end of the corridor where you have the dining area, you can switch on the lights for the corridor. So that's the switch on the far left, and these are the lighting fixtures in the corridor. I think we have about 6 lights that will be placed in here, and you can also switch on and off the light from the corridor from here. So if you're going to your bedroom, either bedroom 1 or the master bedroom, you can just switch on and off the light here. You wake up in the morning, you can switch on the light. When you're going to bed at night, you can switch it off. You don't have to walk all the way back to the end of the corridor, going to the living room before you switch it on. So now we've entered into the master bedroom. And once you get into the master bedroom, to your immediate left, you've got the light switch that controls the lighting for the master bedroom. Right below, you've got another 2 power points, 110, 220 that are here. And then over here, this is where your TV will be. So again, 210 power point, 110 power point, your TV cable. Next to it, we've got the AC power point. And then underneath, we've made provision for 2 more sockets to power any other device that you may have. Now, your bed rest will be somewhere around here. So next to the bed, we made provision for control for the light and your ceiling fan, making it very convenient. So again, more power points next to the bed, 210, 110. Extra power points here again. And this is the entrance to the ensuite bathroom. So just before you enter the bathroom, we've got the lighting for the bathroom being on the left here. And then to the right, this is the switch or the control for the water heater. So I'm going to show you where the power will be connected. So already made provision with the plumbing for the water heater. So the power point is right here. So this will be connected to the water heater to power it up. And then let me show you the ceiling, right? So again, got a ceiling over here. So we've got 1 lighting fixture to come here, a 2nd lighting fixture to go there. And we made provision for a ceiling fan in the washroom as well, the master washroom. The client wanted something, a fan over here, so we made provision for that. And when you come to this end, you have your 210 power point and then the 110, the smaller one for the US devices. I've got light here for the mirror lighting. Also, we made provision for that. So essentially, this is a walkthrough of the job that we've done on this 2-bedroom. I'm just going to pop out quickly. So we're going out of the master bedroom. Now we're in the main corridor. And to the left, this is the small study area I talked about earlier. And on this wall here to the right, this is where all our cables and all our power points are going to be housed. And they will be much neater once it's done. But for now, I'm just going to talk you through what we have here. So the very first one here, this is the power point where our step-down transformer for the 110 will be housed. So it will be plugged here, and that's where it's going to be. And the next one, this is all our TV cables. This is the point for all our TV cables. Then this is where all our 110 cables are housed. Next will be the 210 cables, or the 210 power points and the lighting. And finally, this is our 16mm main cables. This is where they're all going to be. So we're going to have a very neat backboard for it to all be housed on. And so hopefully in our videos to follow, you see how it all turns out. But for now, this is the first phase that we're showing you of all the cables that's done. So thank you guys for watching our video, and I hope this is helpful. So if you're looking for anybody to carry out your wiring, you can certainly reach out to us. You can have our phone number on the screen, and also if you have any questions, you can shoot them across via WhatsApp or leave them on YouTube, and we'll be good to get back to you. So essentially, this is the second phase where we've carried out the wiring. So we've done the pipework first in the first phase, and then this is the wiring. So the third phase will come in after the POP is done, that's when we're going to fit all our fittings and the covers for the sockets and everything. So thank you very much for watching this video, and appreciate you for the support. All right then, bye for now.